How to switch to demo account in FBS. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are looking for a way to switch to a demo account from real account in FBS, first thing to do is to open a web browser and type in fbs.com in it and search. Go ahead and log into your FBS account like you normally do. And once you're logged in and you are inside the dashboard, go ahead and click on this drop down under the dashboard. Currently I'm using real account. Just click on that drop down and select the demo option. Click on it and you have switched to demo account. By switching to demo account, you can practice trading without risking real funds. Demo money is virtual money which will be given to you under the balance tab. The demo account is good for learning trading without risk. You can create multiple demo accounts anytime. The demo conditions are similar to real market but not identical. So that's how you can easily switch to a demo account. You can always switch back to the real account whenever you want, repeating the step. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.